Have you ever wondered why elite athletes, soldiers, and fitness experts all rely on one move, the push-up? It's more than just an exercise. In fact, if done right and consistently, the push-up can trigger a chain reaction of changes throughout your entire body, some of which might seriously surprise you. It's not about reps or speed. It's about what happens when you stick with this one simple move over time. And no, this isn't just another fitness trend or overhyped challenge. This is something deeper, more powerful, something that's been used for generations and still hasn't lost its impact. So before you dismiss it as basic or boring, take a moment. What if the push-up is exactly what your body has been waiting for? Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll never look at a push-up the same way again. Let's start with something simple. What happens to your body when you begin doing push-ups regularly? At first, you might feel sore. Your chest tightens, your arms tremble, even your core might ache the next day. That's your body waking up. It's responding to a movement that demands more than you thought. Push-ups aren't just a chest exercise. They involve the arms, shoulders, back, core, hips, and legs. It's a full-body effort, even if it doesn't look like one. Let's break down what push-ups really do for your body, beyond just building a bigger chest. These benefits go deep, affecting your strength, your stability, your mindset, and even your heart. First up, push-ups activate your entire body. This isn't just a chest move. Every push-up fires up your arms, shoulders, back, core, hips, and even your legs. It's a full-body effort even though it might not look like one. When you're holding that plank position, your muscles are working together to keep your body straight and stable. That synergy is what makes push-ups so powerful and efficient. Next, push-ups improve your muscular endurance. At first, you'll probably feel sore. Your chest will tighten, your arms will shake, and your core might ache. That's a good thing. It means your body is waking up to a new challenge. But keep going. That soreness fades. The shaking stops. You go from 5 reps to 10, from 10 to 20, and suddenly your body feels stronger. You stand taller. Your arms feel more toned. That's muscular endurance taking root. Moving on, push-ups train your nervous system. You're not just building muscle here. You're teaching your brain and body to communicate more efficiently. Your nervous system becomes more responsive and better coordinated. Your movements become smoother. Your balance improves. And you start carrying that same control and stability into everything else, whether it's walking, running, or even just sitting up straight. Push-ups also build serious core strength. Since you're essentially holding a plank through the whole motion, your core is always engaged. This doesn't just sculpt your abs, it strengthens the muscles that support your spine. That means better posture, fewer back problems, and improved balance. Whether you're picking up groceries or climbing stairs, that core strength pays off in real ways. Let's talk about the mind-muscle connection. Push-ups don't just build physical strength, they create awareness. Each rep teaches you to feel the movement. Your brain starts connecting with your muscles in a way that builds precision and control. At first, it's hard. You might feel weak. But as your reps go up, your focus sharpens. You develop discipline, mental clarity, and you start seeing the push-up as a kind of moving meditation. Now, here's something deeper. Push-ups sharpen mental resilience. Doing them every day takes grit. You learn to push through discomfort. You learn to keep going even when it's hard. That discipline spills into every part of your life. You show up more. You finish tasks. You take on challenges with less fear. The habit of doing hard things like push-ups trains your brain to handle adversity. Push-ups also help you breathe better. When done correctly, they naturally train your breathing rhythm. You inhale as you lower, exhale as you rise. That kind of focused, controlled breathing calms your nervous system. It brings more oxygen into your bloodstream. Over time, this breathing pattern becomes second nature, even outside workouts. You feel less stressed, more grounded, more in control. Lastly, push-ups improve your functional fitness. That means strength you can actually use, not just for the gym, but for everyday life. Push-ups teach your body how to push, lift, and stabilize under pressure. They keep your joints mobile. They help protect you from falls. They prepare you for real-world movements like lifting bags, opening heavy doors, or catching yourself when you trip. Now, let's talk about the science behind this. according to a 2020 study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research. Bodyweight exercises like push-ups can be just as effective for building upper body strength as traditional weightlifting. That means you don't need a bench, dumbbells, or a gym membership to get strong. Just the floor beneath you. Another 2019 study from JAMA Network Open followed over 1,000 active men for 10 years. They found that those who could perform 40 or more push-ups had a significantly lower risk of heart disease than those who could do fewer than 10. Think about that. Something as simple as a push-up could predict your heart health better than a treadmill test. Let's take a closer look at form, because without proper form, the magic of the push-up falls apart. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Your hands should be placed just outside of your shoulders. Your elbows should bend at about 45 degrees. No sagging hips, no flared elbows, and definitely no half reps. A proper push-up demands control, precision, and patience. That's why it's so effective. It teaches your body how to move as a unit. With correct technique, your joints actually get stronger and more stable. Your wrists, elbows, and shoulders become more resilient under pressure. It's not just about muscle, it's joint conditioning too. You might be wondering, how many push-ups should I do a day? Start where you are. Beginners can begin with 5 to 10 a day, focusing purely on form. As you build strength, increase the reps slowly. Don't jump to 50 right away. Let your muscles adapt. Listen to your body. Break them into sets. 3 sets of 10, 4 sets of 8, maybe just 2 sets of 5 at first. That's fine. Push-ups aren't about comparison. They're about commitment. Do them every day or every other day. Find a rhythm that works for you and stick to it. Once the standard push-up becomes comfortable, challenge yourself with variations. Each version works the body differently. Wide push-ups target the chest. Diamond push-ups hit the triceps. Decline push-ups fire up the upper chest and shoulders. You can even try explosive push-ups, like clapping push-ups, for added power and speed. And if you struggle with traditional push-ups, don't worry. Start with knee push-ups or incline push-ups using a sturdy bench or table. Build strength first, then move toward the full version. Push-ups are endlessly scalable. You can modify them to fit any fitness level. That's the beauty of it. You can do them anywhere, at home, in a hotel room, at the park. No equipment, no cost, just you and gravity. They also pair well with other movements. Try a circuit. Push-ups, squats, lunges, planks. Repeat. It becomes a full-body workout that burns fat, builds muscle, and boosts endurance. And here's something deeper to consider. Push-ups build habits. They teach discipline. You might start doing them for physical gains, but you keep doing them for the mental edge. You feel more alive, more aware, more in control of your health. You stop skipping workouts because you know even on your busiest day, you can still drop and do a few push-ups. They anchor your routine. They give you something to come back to, no matter what life throws at you. So think of push-ups not as a fitness trend, but as a tool. A tool to build strength, resilience, and balance. A tool that asks for nothing but your effort and gives you back confidence, power, and a sense of control over your health. Because in the end, push-ups aren't just about muscles. They're about showing up for your body, for your goals, for your future. So why not start today? Drop down, do 1 push-up, just 1. Then do another tomorrow, and another the next day. You won't just feel different, you'll be different. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you see push-ups in a new light, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more science-backed fitness content, and share this with someone who could use that extra push.